Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings here. Then you go down, just keep going down. Then you click here on general here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down. You click here on VPN and device management, just click on it. Then here you click on sign in to work or school account, and here add your email address. You click here on continue here. So then automatically it's going to sign in with you on your iPhone. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.